Welcome to Vehicle News, your trusted source for the latest updates from the automotive world. Today, we are taking a closer look at the new 2025 Suzuki Burgman 180, a premium maxi scooter that's creating serious buzz among urban riders and touring enthusiasts alike. This model aims to blend comfort, performance, and modern technology into one stylish package. A fresh evolution of the Burgman legacy. The Suzuki Burgman name has long been associated with comfort and reliability. With the 2025 Burgman 180, Suzuki is expected to refine this legacy further. The design philosophy appears to focus on a more aerodynamic body, sharper lines, and a premium road presence, while still maintaining the relaxed riding posture the Burgman series is known for. Engine and performance expectations. The 2025 Suzuki Burgman 180 is expected to feature a refined 180cc class engine designed for smooth power delivery and improved fuel efficiency. This setup should make the scooter ideal for both daily city commutes and longer highway rides. Suzuki is likely to tune the engine for low vibration, ensuring a calm and comfortable ride even at higher cruising speeds. Comfort and ride quality. Comfort has always been a Burgman strong point, and the 2025 model is expected to continue that tradition. A wide, cushioned seat, generous legroom, and a relaxed handlebar position should offer fatigue-free riding. The suspension setup is anticipated to be optimized for rough urban roads while maintaining stability on open highways. Technology and features. In terms of features, the new Burgman 180 is expected to offer a modern digital or semi-digital instrument cluster, possibly with smartphone connectivity. Other expected highlights include keyless ignition, ample underseat storage, USB charging, and enhanced lighting for better visibility. These features aim to elevate the everyday riding experience. Safety enhancements. Safety is another area where Suzuki is likely to make improvements. The 2025 Burgman 180 is expected to come equipped with disc brakes on both ends, supported by ABS for confident braking. Wider tires and improved chassis balance should further enhance rider confidence in various road conditions. Final thoughts. The new 2025 Suzuki Burgman 180 looks set to be a well-rounded scooter that prioritizes comfort, efficiency, and modern features. While official specifications are still awaited, expectations are high for this premium offering. Stay tuned to Vehicle News for the latest confirmed details, launch updates, and in-depth reviews as soon as Suzuki makes it official.